Today, I'm going to show you how to create and send an invoice in QuickBooks Online. First, sign into QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. From the dashboard, click Create, then select Invoice. This opens the invoice form. At the top, choose the customer you want to invoice. If the customer is already saved in QuickBooks, their billing information and email address may fill in automatically. Check the customer details to make sure everything is correct. Next, review the invoice date, terms, and due date. Adjust them if needed so they match your agreement with the customer. Now, go to the product or service section. Choose the product or service you are billing for. Enter a description if needed. Then, enter the quantity and rate. QuickBooks will calculate the line amount automatically. If the item is taxable, make sure the correct tax setting is selected. Repeat the same process for any additional products or services you need to include. You can also add a customer message or memo if you want to provide extra information about the invoice. Before sending, review the customer, email address, dates, line items, quantities, rates, tax, and total. Once everything looks correct, click Review and Send. QuickBooks will show you a preview of the invoice and the email your customer will receive. Check the customer's email address, subject line, and message. If you accept online payments, review the available payment options as well. You can also preview the invoice to make sure it looks correct before sending. When you're ready, click Send Invoice. QuickBooks will email the invoice to your customer. After sending, you can return to your invoice list to review the invoice status and track whether it has been sent, paid, or is still outstanding. And that's how to send an invoice in QuickBooks Online in 2026.